Jumping rope? Isn't that for boxers or little girls? Maybe these type of thoughts come to your mind when you listen to someone talking about rope skipping. Well, believe it or not, a Cooper Institute aerobic test found that 10 minutes of simple act of jumping rope is equals to a 30-minute of jogging. Jumping rope is also easy to do anywhere. Just put the rope in a backpack and take along with you on a trip, to work, to school, or even it can be done in the living room while you're watching TV. There are so many health benefits of jumping rope, and studies have found that it is one of the most effective cardio exercises, and you can get into your top shape with just a few minutes of skipping a day and eating a healthy diet. Here are the list of health benefits you can get by jumping rope every day. 1. Helps to improve coordination. Jumping rope actually improves your coordination by making you focus on your feet. Whether or not you're paying attention to them, your brain is aware of what your feet are doing. This practice, over and over again, makes you feel lighter on your feet. The more tricks you do with the jump rope, the more your brain become conscious and coordinated. 2. Decreases foot and ankle injuries. Many athletes in different sports often suffer foot and ankle injuries from running and then quickly stopping and turning. Jumping rope not only improves your foot coordination but also increases your strength in the muscles surrounding your ankle joint and thus decrease the chances of getting injured. Jumping rope teaches players to stay on the balls of their feet, rather than being flat-footed or on their heels. 3. Burns major calories. This aerobic exercise can achieve a burn rate of up to 1,300 calories per hour, with about 0.1 calories burned per jump. 10 minutes of jumping rope can roughly be considered the equivalent of running a mile in 8 minutes. 4. Improves bone density. Jumping is considered to be a great way to increase bone density. This exercises may help to prevent osteoporosis by facilitating bone growth. In a study, it was found that anytime you add weight bearing to a specific bone set, you will improve its bone density. Just a few minutes of jumping a day can help you protect against many of the problems associated with poor bone density. 5. Improves cardiovascular health. Jumping rope is a killer cardio workout that improves your coordination, boosts your metabolism, and makes you sweat like crazy. In order to increase your heart and lung health, you must do this exercise 3 to 5 times per week for 12 to 20 minutes at a time. 6. Improved breathing efficiency. In addition to improved heart health and stamina, jumping rope also improves your breathing efficiency. This will also help you in other activities and won't let you get out of breath after running down the court or doing swimming laps in the pool. 7. Makes you smarter. According to the Jump Rope Institute, jumping aids in the development of the left and right hemispheres of your brain, which enhances spatial awareness, improves reading skills, increases memory, and makes you more mentally alert. Jumping continuously on the balls of your feet requires your body and mind to make neuromuscular adjustments to the imbalances created from continuous jumping, which helps to improve dynamic balance and coordination, reflexes, and muscular endurance. 8. Improves your ability to stay calm. Boxers in the ring who practice jump rope actually are more calm overall than those who don't. This is because while skipping rope you are actually working your brain and your body at the same time. Your ability to jump rope and be synchronous with your body, mind and the rope can actually help you be more calm in different situations. So, are you going to add jumping rope exercise to your workout routine? Please share your thoughts with us down in the comments. If you find this video useful, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching.